Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to set different volume level for different audio files in any Android smartphones or tablets. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So firstly what you need to do is you need to download one application named as Sound Aura. So I'll be leaving this applications download link in the video description, so you can click there and you can download and install this application. So after that, just open the application. On opening the application, you will see this kind of user interface, right? So on the right bottom you can see a plus icon. Just tap on it. Now select the respective folder where you have saved all the audio files. So in my case it's in the download. So if you don't see a files in the download option, then just tap this three horizontal lines and you can select your respective file explorer to access your files and folders. So what you need to do is just select the respective audio files. So I have selected all the audio files, and on the above you can see select. Just tap on it, and now just click on OK. Now all the audio files has been added here. So if you want to play all the audio files, then you need to tap on this left plus icon on each of the song. After you see all plus symbol changes into the minus symbol, that means now you can click on the play button below, and now it will play all the songs respectively. So now you can see just below each song you can see a volume bar. So you can set a different volume bar just by sliding. So for this audio file you want to set this much of volume. For the second audio file you can set it to this much of volume, and for the last you can set different volume levels. And now if you want to play each one of them, just hit the play button, then it will start playing all the respective audio files that you have selected. So if you want to play only the one audio file, then you can just unclick on the different audio files, and the one which you are seeing with the minus icon, the first one, will only be played. So using these applications you can set different volume level for different audio files in any Android smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you never known about the cool applications, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.